That's what the teeth look like if you use too small of a file. Now you see this tooth, and I already sharpened it.
Focus. Yes.
So see, you got that good cup, that C.
Yup.
That's because the file matches it correct. This one is way too small, so you get that little C, and then it like slowly goes away. So that gullet needs to be really taken out. So if I start, so you can see the shiny part and start.
Yup.
Start there, and then work that gullet down. I'm pushing this straight down until I get a little bit of shine right here, and I went deep enough. So I'm gonna push back a little bit. And once I get this front angle right here level with this mark,